Hello everyone, welcome to The Wong Way. I'm Jeremiah Wong. Some of you may know me as Chinaman from the UAV mapping subreddit. So, for a long time now, I've wanted to make something or put something out to help people weave their way through the whole deal with the UAV mapping, commercial UAV mapping field. So, what I want to do with this channel is to generate videos on how to go through and do flight planning, to do data processing, and to do data extraction through different kinds of software. Like a lot of main ones that we see now are like Pix4D, but then there are some out like SimActive, Mensi, even Info from UAS Master from Trimble. So I've wanted to make these videos to help you figure out how to get through that, and not necessarily to take what I do and make it exactly what you do, but to take what I do and try and integrate that with what you have going. So, because I know for a fact that I may not be the most educated person on all these things, but I've done a lot of this for a while now to where I know it works for me. So a lot of things that work for me may not work for you. I just want to be able to put something out to give people a base on where to get started. So not only do I want to do these tutorial videos on the data processing and extraction, but I want to also go through and help you guys figure out a workflow in terms of getting from one point to another, from getting that initial job to going through and getting your client the deliverable. So that workflow from getting from one point to another is a very important thing, because I mean, once you know how to process the data, you want to be able to make a way of getting from one point to the other in the most efficient way possible and the quickest way possible without compromising your data's accuracy and the precision in that. So I want to go through and generate these videos to try and help you figure out where to start, or try and help you move past maybe an issue that you're having right now. In addition to this, I want to also go through and try and bridge a gap that I see in between the commercial UAV segment and the hobbyist UAV segment, because this is something that as a hobbyist operator, which I've been since I was a kid. I started out on RC cars, and I moved up to helicopters, and then multi-rotors, and then now the latest thing I've done in the hobby world is fixed wings. So I want to be able to go through and take that hobby knowledge side of me and teach you guys things about these UAVs that you're using in the commercial world, and vice versa, on things like how, why an EB drone, or was it the SenseFly EB Plus, costs $35,000 compared to a Tough Wing that you can use as an aerial mapper for less than probably $5,000. So I want to go through and just do in an overall way, help you guys understand things on a deeper level, on a more component-based level. That way you can make a better, more informed decisions on things you do, or what you buy. So I'm hoping these videos will help you out. And if they do, please leave a comment with constructive criticisms, or leave a comment asking your questions. And I'll do whatever I can to try and relay that information to you in a way that is easy to understand. So hopefully this works out, and hopefully I start talking to you guys more soon. So we'll see you later.